Hi, it's Ellie again. In the transport industry, a single piece of video evidence can be the difference between a costly insurance claim and a quick resolution. At Pay As You Track, we don't just tell you where your vehicles are, we show you what they are seeing. Thumbnails of all of your historical video downloads can be found in the handy video module. Select a date using the shortcut buttons or use the custom button to find an exact date. The module will show a thumbnail of each download. You can then click to see the full video. Remember that all our videos are stored at Vimeo with a password. If you need to share the video, simply send the link, or if you prefer, you can download. The video module will also show other evidence, such as pictures from our AI cameras. You can view multiple videos at the same time, view full screen, and even keep using Pay As You Track View while your video plays. Remember that you can also add video to a dashboard if you want to gather together evidence all in one place. That's it for this short video. Why don't you try one of our other tutorials to find out how to view live video footage? Thanks for listening.